got some animals with us already. Okay, what have we here? Wow, a family of elephants. Hello. So nice to see you. Okay, wait, there is something over on the other side. Wow. Elephant taking a shower. Wow. Wait, oh no, something's over here. Wait, no, he's coming up again. Oh no, coming up. Oh no, get down, everyone get down. Oh, it's okay, he's just messing around. Oh wait, oh no, looks like the elephants forced us off the main river and went out lost in the middle of nowhere, right? Oh, behind you! Oh no, they can jump over 20 feet, alright? Wait. Something's over here, no. King Cobra. Very good. They are the guardians of Ganesha, the elephant god. Oh, we are so in danger, let's just go. Alright, everyone, just keep all your arms and hands in the boat. You know why? Because we're gonna... Yes, we've got crocodiles over here. Alright, no feeding, even with your own body parts, please, alright? Save your fingers for later. Wait. Oh, this is weird. Oh no, we were supposed to pay a visit to Professor Porter, but it looks like he's gone. And gorillas are over here. Wait, oh no, watch out! Oh no! They have guns. Gorillas have guns. Oh, talking about gun control over here. Okay, well, no, don't worry now, because here we are, the beautiful African belt home to zebras, giraffes, and African elephants. Hello, elephants. Nice to see you. Oh no. Here comes another. Sorry.